welcome to JenJens Kitchen. We're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making buffalo chicken roll-ups. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you turn on that notification bell. Thanks. I'm going to begin by removing the chicken from the bone and tearing it into small pieces. Now I'm gonna melt a stick of butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm gonna add some plain Greek yogurt and mix that on up. Now I'm going to add some white vinegar and some Worcestershire sauce. Now it is time to add the heat. Go ahead and give that a quick little stir and begin adding your spices. Now that you have your buffalo sauce, you're gonna add it to your chicken. Oh my, this is looking and smelling amazing! Time to start making the roll-ups. Start with spinach, then cheese, chicken, roll up. Now you're going to cut them up. And put them on a plate to put in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. If you like this video, make sure to click one of these links for more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!